and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a nail art video for you, and if you feel like you've seen this intro before, then that's very true, because I'm just using this intro for all the nail art videos of this series, because after all it's the nail art that matters. Just wanted to come online first here and just lamp, don't you dare. Anyway, to give you some basically disclaimers. First off, I'm a makeup artist and a postman, not a nail tech, so I'm not a professional at this. Also, whenever I do my nails, I usually just build them and then just put nail polish on them and traditional nail art, you know, with brushes and stickers and stuff like that. I barely ever do acrylic art, so it seemed like a fun challenge to myself to do acrylic art. It didn't go very well. So yeah, basically don't expect to learn something from this series. I just hope that you'll be amused, because this is mostly just going to be a series of fails and good examples of how to not do something. So yeah, without further ado, let's get onto it. And here we have it, the nails. I know you haven't seen those on YouTube in ages, because I'm pretty sure I filmed this in like 2018 or something. But anyways, it's way too hot this week to actually film something new, which is why you're seeing old footage now. I really have the stash of like nail fills that were not actually originally supposed to be fills, like they just failed all naturally. Anyway, for this look we're starting off with a clear base. Just basically, I made a base, no pun intended. I just did a clear nail in acrylic obviously, and then started with just a dot of color on top and just carefully dragging it down with the brush. So you get sort of this melted effect. This was not the fill yet, because this actually works out pretty well, and I can actually, if I do a little bit of a nicer base, I can totally actually see this work. I mean, it's definitely not bad. Yeah, and it's really easy to do. Like, you literally cannot screw this up, basically. What you can screw up, however, is this. Now this is going to come as a shock, because in my makeup tutorials I always say you cannot go wrong with glitter, you can never have too much glitter, glitter is always good. Well, it wasn't in this case. It was not a good thing to add glitter, because it just looks so misplaced. Like seriously, like there's hot pink goop dripping over the nail, okay, but like where does the glitter even come from? Like, is the goop just sweating out glitter somehow? Like, it makes no sense for the glitter to be there. Like, maybe if I would have actually put the glitter all the way below the color and then put the color on top, it would have looked like it melted over top of the glitter. But this way, the glitter overlaps the melted part, which just makes it really weird and random. Anyway, it's always important to add a clear base, or clear base, the clear base over top as well, so it makes a clear top. Makes sense, doesn't it? You will be left, in my case at least, I was left with a very bulky nail. But you don't want to file directly over colored acrylic, because it might ruin the color. Once I was finally, after 5 years, done with filing down the bulkiness of the nail, I could finally add top coat, and okay, the glitter does actually look cool when you put the top coat over top of it. It doesn't look good in this look necessarily, just the glitter in itself. Yeah. So all in all, I don't think this was the worst nail fill I have ever accomplished, but it definitely wasn't my best look either. Either way, I really hope next week is going to be less warm and I can just go back to actually filming makeup tutorials. And, you know, yeah. And that leaves us with the final result. Well, you just saw the final result. It's no longer on my nails at this point. But anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please click the like button. It would really help me out. And if you want to see more of my videos, you can always subscribe to my channel. I actually mostly do makeup tutorials. This was also a tutorial. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!